Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome to my channel. I'm Akshita, and what can I expect from me? Crazy content. Yeah, probably. So today I just ordered something online from H&M and random things. So I thought let's start with that. Let's film. H&M में सेल भी चल रही है अच्छी खासी, तो let's start with that and let me show you what I got from H&M. And first thing I got was a tripod from Amazon. So yeah, इसका भी रिव्यू कर लेते हैं. Actually I'm using it already. So I got this from Amazon. It's the Amazon Basics selfie stick. So this was the box which it came in. Quite big as expected from Amazon. इतनी सी चीज़ के लिए इतना बड़ा डब्बा भेज देते हैं. Yeah, so this was the box. बहुत बुरी कंडीशन थी, as you can see. Not very great to be honest. ऐसा लग रहा था कि पानी में भीग के निकला हुआ पैकेट हो, बट सूख जाता है ना पानी में भीगने के बाद वैसे टाइप का. But the tripod was pretty good. I mean the selfie stick tripod was pretty good. This is the Amazon Basics selfie stick. I got this for 299 rupees and it's good. Basic मतलब start करने के लिए I guess it's fine. Sturdy है, length wise छोटा है, बहुत ज़्यादा लंबा नहीं है. Basic क्योंकि selfie stick है, so it's not a tripod, but it's good. शुरू करने के लिए it's good. Let's see. I'm also trying it for the first time. I'll let you know how this goes, but abhi tak it's good, it's nice. So yeah, that was the first thing that I got to start this video. Yeah, actually I have set up the tripod right now and I'm using that itself. So yeah, secondly I had been to the mall, sale chal rahi thi, to I got some socks and I got just one, and then I realized that they are pretty amazing, so soft. So then I ordered it from the website. They are from Reebok. Actually they were saying कि ऐसे उनके जो accessories type रहते हैं, मतलब socks, gloves, etc. उन पे usually sale नहीं होती, but right now they were having like some 25% discount. So yeah, I got these socks. These were for 500, but I got them 300 something, I guess. 25% off, right? Yeah. So they are so soft. They have like this, you can see they have this cushion thing going on here as well, and on the base also they have, they're very thick, as you can, I think you can see it here also. They are quite thick, so as soon as you put them on it feels like you have put your feet inside a cloud. Very soft. I just got one. Actually I got it with my roommate and we shared it. So I just got one and then I was like, no bro, I want more. So I ordered these. So yeah, these are the second thing. Socks. They are a pair of 3 socks and quite amazing. You can check out on their website. They're having some other collection as well. And yeah, they're having sale, and as that salesman said, usually they don't have deals on socks and everything, but right now they're having 25% off. So you can definitely check this out. And now the main thing, my order from H&M. This big bag. You can see it can cover me. Yeah. So actually there are 2 parcels. I kept the other one within this. This was the second one. So yeah, I got some basic tops, a hoodie and a shorts. So yeah, let me show you one by one how these things look. So in the first parcel, which is this small one, I got all of the basic tops and tees. So let's start one by one. The first one, I'll put the original images as well so you can see the reference. So first one is this pink top, basic top with, I don't know what you can call neckline. So this is the first one and it is in this dusty pink color. I quite love it. This is in the size XL. So yeah, I thought maybe this would be a little low on the neckline, but it fits perfectly. It looks so beautiful on me. I just love it. And this color, it's different, it's new. I got 2 things in the same color, so yeah, I wanted to try it out and it's quite good. So this was the first one. The second one is in the same color but different pattern. It's like a polo, as you can see, cropped polo t-shirt basically, and it's the same dusty pink, a little different, a little in the lavender purple side, but almost the same. And this is also quite good. Is same, the ribbed material, and it's also in the size XL. Fits quite good, a little loose, which is great, so it can be worn in office as well. So yeah, so that's the second one. Now the third thing, it was a set of 2 t-shirts for $3.99. Yeah, I didn't tell the prices, right? So this one is 500, but I got it in 149 or 159. Yup. And this one, the polo, this was for $7.99, but I think I got it for $199. Yeah, it's 200 only. Yeah. So this, and the third one was a set of 2 t-shirts and pack of 2, and I got these for $3.99, so $150 each. And I chose this set of white and red. I thought red would be a unique color to get. I don't have much red on me, but this red is not what I expected it to be. It's a little orange, not red, cherry red. So yeah, that's that. So these, let me show you, these are the 2 basic t-shirts. The white one is a little bit see-through, as you can see, like it's थोड़ा पतला है ये. Otherwise it's nice, it's good. This is in size L, so it's quite fitted and nice. So in that way I quite like it. It's good. This one is the basic white t-shirt that you can wear with a nice pair of blue jeans and you look amazing. And this one is the red one, which I wanted, a little orange, not 100% what I wanted, but it's good. The material of this one is nice. The white one is a little bit sheer, and it's the rib material, but this one is different. This is like nice material. It's very soft, nice on skin. I like it. The material, I love it. Color not so much, but it's a pair and it's for just $150, so not bad. So these were all of the shirts, those I got. Now let's move on to the other package, which has the hoodie and the shorts. So when I placed the order, I didn't realize I was placing the order for a cropped hoodie, and I don't really like cropped hoodies. I wanted that long not hoodie, sweatshirt. So I wanted that long one, but somehow I placed the order for the cropped one. I didn't realize it. When it got here and I wore it, I got to know. So yeah, this is it. It's the basic black sweatshirt. It is cropped and it is like this pattern, you know, the baggy pattern which comes from here. Yeah, so it's that one, and it's looking nice. It's looking good. It's the quality also, obviously it's H&M, so it's nice. Nothing to worry there. And the price also, I'll tell you, it is for 1299, 1300, but I got it for 900 something. Not such a great deal, but yeah. So but I think I got confused. There was one that was, I think, a long pattern, not the cropped one, and that was for 700 something, and this was for 900, and I wanted that, but I ordered this. I don't know why, but I got confused. But this is it. This is in size L and it's oversized. It has these drop shoulder pattern, quite cozy, quite nice. I like it. I'll see, maybe I'll exchange this or maybe I'll keep it. I haven't decided on it yet, but yeah, it's good. And the last thing which I have are these shorts. So these shorts were like on 50% off. These were for 999 and I got it in 400 something, and I ordered in size XL, and it's a little big on me, to be honest. Yeah, I mean, you can see it's a little big. It should have been a little smaller, but yeah, that's fine. The shorts, it has this adjustable band over here, no, so I can tighten it up as much as I want. But yeah, these are the shorts. These are in again some dusty blue or green color. The quality is okay, not very great. It's all of these things are from the H&M Divided collection. So yeah, I sometimes think that has a little lower quality. So yeah, that's it. It's good. It's looking nice on wearing. That everything else is fine. Just it is a little big and the material is soft. It's nice. It would be good to wear. Very comfy. So yeah, these are all of the things that I got from H&M. I like all of these. I guess so. So I hope you liked my video. Let's see what I post next. Please show some love and give your reviews in the comment section if you would want to see something specific. I'm starting out and I'm ready to explore how much ever I can. So please show your support and love. Follow me on my channel and I'll keep you updated with my next updates.